In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extract text from an image in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up your OneNote application. You can do this by simply heading over to the OneNote app on your device. Once you've launched the application, you'll notice a section labeled My Notebooks. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you manage and access all your notebooks, so it's important to get comfortable navigating this section. Once you're in your notebooks, find the particular notebook you want to work with and select it by clicking View Notebook. This action will open up the notebook and you'll be ready to start adding and managing your notes, including images. Now let's move on to inserting an image. Look for the Insert option in the toolbar, which is typically located at the top of your OneNote screen. Clicking on this will give you a few more options. You'll want to choose pictures from these options, as this is how you will be able to add an image from your device. After selecting pictures, you'll see another menu, and from here you'll want to click on From File. This step will allow you to access files on your device. It's time to locate the image you want to extract text from. Navigate through your files, find that image and select it. This will insert the image into your OneNote page. With the image now inserted, we can proceed to the final part. Place your cursor over the image and right click. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears with various options. The option you're interested in is Copy Text from Picture. Click on this and OneNote will analyze the image and extract the text for you. In a matter of moments, the text from the image will be copied to your clipboard and you can now paste it wherever you need, making it fully editable. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can save you a lot of time and help you streamline your workflow. And there you have it, you've just learned how to extract text from an image in OneNote. Whether you're digitizing written notes or needing to quickly grab text from an image, this method is a great tool to have in your digital arsenal. Don't forget to practice and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.